Hello everyone, this is Victory. It's me on the host. Today in the workshop there is one machine, the speed which can reach up to 40 meters per minute. This kind of the machine is under preparation for assemble, and the machine body frame which is ready, and let's check together. And somehow from the machine body frame we can see the machine was divided into two units. The first unit will be mounted with the roller and the pillar stands. The other part will be mounted with the flying cutting die. So the machine is almost about 7 or 8 meters in length. And in our right side, it's all the parts which will be used for assemble the machine, like the pillar stands, like the gear. Everything is well categorized according to the drawing. So this is somehow what we traditionally do before assemble. After all the parts is ready and well painted, so we will doing this kind of the preparation jobs. So let's check the machine body frame. Somehow it's well milled, and this part will be mounted with the transmission box, and this place will be mounted with the pillar stands. And the surface is well drilled. So you just follow up with me, and later I will show you once the machine assembled. See, the surface of the body frame is well milled, and look at the surface of the plate. It's 30 meters. millimeter. And this unit is used for the flying cutting die. It's used for flying cutting die. The length of the platform is about 2.5 meters. So the total length of the machine is almost reach up to 6 or 7 meter length. So this is the place and the preparation what we are doing for assemble the machines.